Hey guys, it's Jace with Misfit Media, and a lot of our followers have been asking us, how do you guys get your content looking so damn good on social media? Well, today I'm going to give you guys a couple quick tips to start getting more engagement on your social pages and more customers into your restaurant. So before you start making your viral food video, there's a couple things that you're for sure gonna need. The first one is your smartphone. People overcomplicate it, but you can easily use the camera on your smartphone in order to take a high quality video shot. The second piece of equipment that you're gonna need is some kind of LED lighting. You can buy these for about 30 or 40 bucks on Amazon. These ensure that the quality of your video is gonna look great. All right, so now you have your equipment and you're ready to shoot your food video. So before you get started, it's important to know the type of social platform that you're advertising on. People's attentions are very limited, and so you want to make sure you catch their attention right away. So the first thing you want to do is show a quick shot of the finished product. This lets users know exactly what they're about to watch. The second thing that you're going to do is after you show that finished product, you're then going to show each step of the process and how the food is made. Typically, up-close shots of how fresh your food looks works the best. Now the final step is going to be showing that finished product one more time and getting customers excited about coming into your restaurant. Boom, so now you have your content and you're ready to make your video. So now to edit, all you need is an app on your phone. There's a couple different apps in the App Store that you can use. You can use iMovie, Spark, Adobe has a free one that you can download as well. All these you can edit straight from the phone in your pocket. All right guys, so that's everything you need to start making your videos go more viral, driving more social engagement to your pages and getting more customers into your restaurant. See ya.